Welcome to Figma for web designers. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the course, everything that's included, and how to get the most out of it. In this course, we're going to be designing a responsive e-commerce website using Figma. We'll take you all the way from a beginner to intermediate user who's comfortable using Figma for real-world projects. Along with the course content, you'll also have access to our community, as well as support from our expert mentors who will be reviewing your projects and assignments and giving you feedback on your work. Check out the details below this video for more information on that. We'll start off this course by setting up our file and getting comfortable in Figma. Then we'll look at the core tools and create the frames and shapes that will lay the base for our layout, as well as images, masks, and icons. Next, we'll work on mastering color and typography to make sure that our site not only looks really good, but is also consistent and comfortable to browse. Then we'll move on to components and auto layout, two of the most powerful tools in Figma. We'll use these to create responsive elements for our web design. Once we have a beautifully and functionally designed site, we'll use prototype mode to make them interactive. Finally, we'll explore all the features Figma has to offer to make it great for collaboration, such as commenting and feedback, handing off to developers, and exporting assets. We'll wrap up by talking about a few advanced techniques that might be helpful as you continue your journey in Figma. These include design systems, mobile designs, and helpful plugins. We've provided a folder of assets including images and icons so that you can design right along with me, but feel free to get creative and use other assets if you'd like. We're going to take things step by step, so don't let this overwhelm you. Figma is actually really user-friendly, so if you stick with me, you'll be comfortable in no time. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive right in.